Welcome back to my channel. In this video, today I am going to show you how to create alert dialog in Kotlin. So let's start. So first create a new project. I already created a new project. So let's make one button for click event in layout. I have made linear layout. I am adding here button, hide wrap content, height and width wrap content. Then set ID. Let's make it a click and text here click me. In main activity, let's set click on listener on button. So click dot set on click listener. Here we are going to show you how to create alert dialog on button click event. So first make alert dialog variable. Alert dialog is equal to alert dialog dot builder in parenthesis this context. We have to pass here is equal to, okay, then let's make it set cancelable false, then set message, whatever you want to show, just set a message. Let me write, are you sure want to exit? Are you sure want to exit? Then as per your requirement, create a button. If you want like a okay only, if you want yes or no, whatever, if you want like a accept and deny. So I am creating here two buttons, yes and no. So alert dialog, set positive button. Let's make a text yes. Then dialog interface, dot on click listener. Here we have to pass the action, what you want to do, dialog, then ID, and pass like on yes I am making it finish the activity. So let's finish, and same as for negative button, set negative button. Let's make text as no, then dialog interface dot on click listener. Here I'm doing just close the dialog. So dialog, then ID, then pass dialog dot cancel. After this, create alert dialog. So create alert is equal to alert dialog dot create, then set the title for your alert dialog. So I am here creating alert dialog example, alert dot set title. Let's make it alert dialog example, and finally show, alert dot show. Let's test the application. I already create here AVD. You can create as per your requirement, or also you can run in your own device like mobile or tablet. So here is the button, click me, let's click it. Here is the title, alert dialog example. Are you sure want to exit? It's the message. Here two button, no and yes. On no it will cancel just dialog, and on yes click it will kill the activity. You can see. So thank you guys for watching me. See you in my next video. Bye bye.